In this video, I am going to show you how to put this lens protector in your DJI drones. So it is very simple. What you have to do is like this hanging part, you need to insert it inside, and just you need to fix these two things inside those holes, and you need to press it. That's it, guys. It's so simple, and you're done. So removing it is very simple. Just need to press this, the bottom thing, you need to press this, and yeah, it came out. So this hanging part, it has to go here in this position. It is the same technique in all your Mavic, like Mavic Mini, Mavic Air, Mavic 1, Mavic 2 Pro, or Mavic 2 Zoom. It is the same technique. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.